Have you been wondering areas whereby you can invest or asset which you can buy in the year 2026 and make good money from it? In this video, I'm going to share 5 assets which you can buy the coming year starting from date 1 January of 2026 and they really make good cash amount of money from it. So stay tuned. Go ahead to like this video and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for your inputs. And if you're watching me for the first time, feel most welcome. Let's dive in. The first asset is all about shares or equities or stocks. This is whereby you start becoming a owner of a certain company. Let's say, for example, this is a company. You own a certain percentage of this company. That's how you start by becoming a shareholder. For example, there are over 62 companies which are listed on the Nairobi Securities Exchange. Just the other month, there is this company known as Uchumi. Its shares were trading at below 30 cents. That is actually the time. It was this year during the month of almost March or April there. Its shares were trading at around 0.28 shillings, and I decided to risk my money, which I decided to go to do a party. But instead, I said, let me invest or let me assume this money has got out of my pocket and fallen down. And currently, today, when I was looking at the market on the Nairobi Securities Exchange, one share of Chumi, it was trading at 1.8 shillings. Remember that I'm making this video on date 9 of December 2025. You can testify. Imagine my money has multiplied like almost 60 times within a duration of only 6 months the amount which I had already invested. So shares is a good asset whereby if you invest your money, you can either make good money from it or the vice versa always. The second asset is getting yourself into the rental. This doesn't mean for you to go and construct or buy a land, you start doing the constructing part of it. No, you can have rentals either by investing through REIT, which is Real Estate Investment Trust, whereby, for example, here in Kenya, you can invest through the Econ or the VUCA. There's this state investment platform whereby you can invest. And if you don't know, the number is always in the description. Take it, send me a WhatsApp message, and I can be able to get you through. For example, you must be an opportunistic person. For example, currently there is this affordable housing for the president. You can decide to go and buy, for example, like a 2 bedroom house at a certain amount of money and then come and rent it to someone else at a higher price, and you can be getting money from it. It's a good asset which can really make good money from it. The third asset is getting yourself into skills. Someone might wonder, is skill an asset? Yes, skill is an asset. For example, like this one, I'm offering to you a financial advice. This is already an asset. This video which I'm getting today, it will be earning for me even in 10 years to come. Someone else will come and view someone else as people are viewing the YouTube will be paying me. So, what is that area of your specialization which do you know you can really teach people? Hmm? When you went to university, which did you specify? Which is that career? Come and teach people here online, and you will really get good money from it. Remember these skills, there is no fixed amount. Here you always charge the money which you feel this one it is quite okay. So and when it is for you to set the price, please do not overcharge. The fourth asset is other than getting yourself into a mutual fund. These are the rights of the money market fund. I know the interest currently it is shrinking. For example, from the company which I always invest in, today we are at 10 point something. So, and the last month we were at 11. So, you can see the interest it is going down. So, but that doesn't matter. That money, do not go and put it either under the pillow and the pillowcase or give it to a bank. You go and deposit it into a bank. No, the bank will use that your money to invest and they won't give you interest. What should you do then? Why don't you invest it by yourself? Even if it's that 1,000 you get at the end of the month, this 1,000 can really help you in paying your bills. You can either get yourself into the money market fund, into the fixed deposit, into the either even the government bonds. All these are areas you can invest and get good money from it. The last asset, and I know most of African or Kenyan fear, is all about business. Or you may find that someone, yes, is or a friend has opened a certain business. What does that person do? This person goes ahead and opens the same business without a clear knowledge or without doing his or her own due diligence. What are the labor costs? What do I need? What all these logistics which are always needed in business. So remember that when you are intending to start a business in the coming year, please, first of all, what I would request you to do, and this is not a financial advice, go and do a parentalship. And someone might wonder what is a parentalship. This, for example, you are intending to open, let's say, a spa business. Go, you can offer this service even if it's for free for at least of 1 month. Know what the moving part of this business so that when you will be starting yours, you will be able to maneuver well and really make good money from it. Remember that business is always high risk, and remember that high risk comes with high returns. So thank you for watching this video till the end. Go ahead to like, drop a comment in the comment section. May I know which asset do you really own, or which one are you intended to own in the coming year? And I wish you a present time. Let's meet in our next video. Bye bye.